Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you my Kuroko action figure from the basketball which Kuroko plays. Wow, what a mouthful. But here we have the figure. Here's a 360 rotation of him right there. And I just got this from the arcade. From afar it looks really great, but when you have it close, not that much. Since I think this is just a bootleg. I think. Probably it is though. Because it came from my local arcade. You know, what can you do? Here's the box. So, it's kind of cool. The box is cool. Side, the back. It's there. There's a picture there. Sculpt wise, this part looks awkward to me, and the paint apps are not really good. This stand, I don't know if you can see it, but it has writings. I'm trying to show you guys. Does that work? Does this work? It has writings all over it. How can I show it? There you go. Basketball which Kuroko plays. Says their crossplayer and the logo of the show right there. So I'll be showing some close-up pictures of the details on the paint apps of this guy, so you can see how horrible it is. It looks better in pictures, but not in real life when it's in your hands. But I think it's still okay. I think it's okay. And look, there's even sculpting at the bottom of the feet. So that's nice. That's always great. That's it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, but don't subscribe. Bye.